يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
Assalaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will work through the example in exercise 3.1. This is within the Single Multiplier chapter, and the answers to this exercise will be found at the end of the video. In this example, the deceased has left behind a father and 10 sons. So first we'll give out the shares. The father will get sudus because there are sons, and the sons will get asaba. Next, we have to choose a base number. Well, there's only one fraction, a sixth, so the base number will be 6. The father will get a sudus of 6, which is 1, and the remaining 5 will go to the sons. Now we have an issue. The issue is that we have 10 sons and only 5 shares. So we can't divide the 5 shares amongst the 10 sons, and we don't use any decimals. Okay, so here we need a multiplier. So how do we calculate what multiplier we need? So let's look. First, we have 10 sons and 5 shares. So we work out the LCM of them two numbers. So the LCM of 10 and 5 is 10, because 10 goes into both of their times tables. Now we have to think, what number times by 5 will give me 10? In other words, what number times by the shares will give me the LCM? And that number is 2. Therefore, the multiplier is 2. So I'll say that one more time. We want the LCM, so we have to think what number times the current shares, which is 5, will give us the LCM, which is 10. And that number is 2. Therefore, the multiplier is 2. We write here on the top left, and we multiply everything by 2. So we multiply the base number, which was currently 6, by 2, becomes 12. We multiply the father's share, which was 1, by 2, becomes 2. And we multiply the 5 shares for the sons by 2, which becomes 10. And now it can be divided. If you've done this correctly, you will know that it can be divided. So now we've got 10 shares and 10 sons. You can write that they get 1 each. So in summary, the base number will be 12. The father will get 2 shares. The 10 sons will get the remaining 10 shares, and they will get 1 each. Jazakallah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.